it's Cheryl with another Nerding Naturalist video. Thanks for sticking around. I think these are a ton of fun to make and you should totally check out the whole collection. Our minotaur friend Crescent Moon has a labyrinthine sense that manifests itself in the game like basically a photographic memory for dungeons. But I was wondering, is this actually possible? Unfortunately, perfect photographic memory like in the movies is not a thing, but eidetic memory does exist. People with eidetic memory, often called eidetikers, are usually children. These people are able to recall the details of a photograph or a picture for a few minutes after seeing it, but the memory does fade over time. It can be imperfect in its memory, and an eidetiker can intentionally erase the memory of the picture just by blinking. Eidetic memories are not perfect and they're not permanent. They're subject to the same false additions or subtractions or other alterations as any memory in any person. And this just supports the idea that we do not know everything about how our brains work and specifically how memory works. And so a lot more research needs to be done in this area. Okay, so if in the real world Crescent Moon wouldn't be able to have a perfect photographic memory, could he have a perfect sense of direction instead? Sense of direction comes from two main parts of the brain. Grid cells are neurons that are found in the entorhinal cortex, and place cells are found in the hippocampus. Together they allow us to create spatial maps in our brains about where we are in location to where we may have started. And recent research identifying these cells and their functions has earned several scientists Nobel Prizes. Even with all of that, I have to remind you that brain research is super complicated and we have in no way fully understood how the human brain functions yet. So does he have a perfect photographic memory, or does he have perfect sense of direction? How does Crescent Moon's brain work? The world may never know. Thanks for watching another Nerding Naturalist video. These are published every Monday morning and they're inspired by the goofy questions we ask while we're playing Dungeons & Dragons live on Twitch on the Dungeon Dwellers channel. You should definitely head on over and check them out. If this is your first time here on the Roving Naturalist, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell notification icon so that you can see all of these videos, as well as my regular environmental education videos that come out every Thursday afternoon. You can also follow me on Twitter, Facebook, and Instagram. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.